Step into the unknown, Mystery Seeker, where the mystery unfolds. It began like any other quiet morning in a peaceful countryside town. The streets were calm, small shops were opening for the day, and the sky above was a clear, soft blue. Nothing about that day suggested that something unusual was about to happen, something that people in the town would remember for many, many years. Farmers were already working in nearby fields, while a few children walked slowly along the dusty road toward school. The wind moved gently through the trees and the birds crossed the sky in white circles. Everything seemed completely normal, almost too normal, as if the world itself was quietly waiting. Then someone noticed something strange high above the town. At first, it was only a small change in the color of the clouds. The bright blue sky slowly began to fade into a pale green shade, so light that many people thought it was just their imagination. A woman standing outside a small bakery was the first one to point it out. She looked upward and frowned, trying to understand what she was seeing. The clouds above her looked different, almost glowing softly with a strange green color. Soon other people began to notice it too. One by one, villagers stepped outside their home and shops, staring up at the sky with growing confusion. The soft green color slowly spread across the clouds like a paint slowly mixing with water. Within minutes, the entire sky above the town began changing. The blue color disappeared almost completely, replaced by a strange green glow that covered the clouds from one side of the valley to the other. Now, people gathered in the main street, whispering to each other while pointing towards the sky. Some laughed nervously, thinking it might be some strange weather effect, while others watched in silence, unsure what to believe. The green sky grew brighter, reflecting softly on the rooftops and windows. Even the nearby hills seemed to glow under the strange light. The town looked almost like a different place, as if the world had quietly shifted to another reality. Birds that had been flying across the sky suddenly changed direction, disappearing toward the distant mountains. Their sudden movement only made the moment feel even stranger than before. Now, an old farmer who had lived in the valley his entire life slowly removed his hat and stared upward. In all his years, he had seen something like this ever before. The clouds continued to move slowly across the sky, but their color remained the same deep green shade. Some villagers began taking photographs, hoping to capture proof of the strange moment. Others simply stood still, watching in complete silence. The wind grew slightly stronger, moving through the trees while the glowing clouds drifted above them. A group of children gathered in the field near the edge of the town, pointing excitedly towards the sky. To them, the strange color seemed fascinating rather than frightening. Meanwhile, older residents of the town whispered quietly among themselves. Some wondered if it was a rare storm forming far away, while others believed it might be something far more unusual. Now the green sky slowly grew darker as the clouds thickened. For a moment, the entire village seemed covered in an eerie light that felt both beautiful and unsettling at the same time. People began looking toward the horizon, wondering if the strange sky would spread to nearby towns as well. But from what they could see, the unusual colors seemed to stay only above their valley. It was very strange for them. They have never experienced something like this ever before in their entire lives. So they were astonished to see what was happening in their quiet valley. The moment felt almost unreal. The quiet town, the glowing clouds, and the silent crowd watching the sky created a scene that felt like something from a dream. Then, far in the distance, a faint rumble of thunder echoed across the mountains. It wasn't loud, but it was enough to make anyone glance nervously at one another. Despite the thunder, no rain began to fall. The clouds simply continued drifting slowly above the valley, holding their strange green color. The mysterious sky lasted for nearly an hour. During that time, no one in the town could explain what they were seeing. Travelers passing along the nearby road stopped their vehicles and stepped outside, equally surprised by the strange sight above them. Some people wondered if it might be a rare natural event caused by unusual sunlight or distant storms. Others believed there might be something much more mysterious behind the strange sky. As slowly as it had appeared, the green color in the clouds finally began to fade. Now, little by little, the familiar blue sky returned above the valley, as if nothing unusual had ever happened. The villagers continued staring upward, almost hoping the strange color might return again. But the clouds moved away, leaving behind only the quiet afternoon sky. Soon the town returned to its normal routine, though everyone continued talking about the mysterious moment. For days afterward, people across nearby towns spoke about the strange green sky that had appeared over the valley. And even today, many years later, some villagers still look towards the clouds from time to time, wondering if the sky might one day turn green again. Have you heard such a fascinating story ever before? And if yes, would you like to change the sky color to any color of your choice? If yes, what color would you like to change the sky? I would love the sky to be purple one day, yellow another day. Do let me know your thoughts in the comment section. Thanks for watching Mystery Seekers, where mysteries unfold and get unlocked.